Guided meditation is a form of meditation where a teacher or a guide leads you through a series of mental images, visualizations, or affirmations to help you relax, focus, and achieve a specific goal. It is a great way to start a meditation practice, especially if you are new to meditation or find it difficult to meditate on your own. Here are some examples of guided meditations. 1. Body scan meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on different parts of your body and noticing any sensations or tension. A guide will usually lead you through each part of your body, starting from your toes and working up to your head. 2. Loving kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and kindness towards yourself and others. A guide will usually lead you through a series of phrases or visualizations to help you generate these feelings. 3. Mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation involves paying attention to the present moment with a non-judgmental and accepting attitude. A guide will usually lead you through a series of instructions to help you focus your attention on your breath or other sensations. 4. Visualization meditation. This type of meditation involves creating a mental image of a peaceful or calming scene. A guide will usually lead you through a series of instructions to help you create this image in your mind. Here are some steps to use guided meditation. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. 2. Choose a guided meditation that resonates with you. You can find guided meditations online, in apps, or through meditation teachers. 3. Put on headphones or find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. 4. Follow the instructions of the guide. Enjoy the process of building and improving through your meditative journey and growth.